Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. And guys, today I have with me a kit that you would love. It's a tablet, a keyboard and a pencil to go along, and it's all come all the way from Huawei. Thank you guys from Huawei for sending this across. This is the latest Huawei MatePad Pro and it comes along with a case which you can buy keyboard, a smart keyboard, magnetic smart keyboard, which you can buy separately, and of course Huawei M Pencil. Now combining these two means creativity, productivity and everything smart from Huawei in a very beautiful tablet, which we're going to look at. We're going to unbox it, find out, look at each one of these elements separately and tell you all about it. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, or if you haven't, please go there and watch it. Handle is @GreatLobbyist. And of course, we're there on the web as well, which is www.greatlobbyist.com. We've got some great content going out there as well in the coming weeks, starting now. So guys, getting straight on to the business, I'm going to unbox this, find out what's inside this box, how each of these fit in together to give you a beautiful tablet which can add productivity and mobility to your life. So don't go anywhere, keep watching. Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again, and we have just finished unboxing a set of 3 devices put together, which gives you so much power, so much amazing, so much beauty and so much productivity into your hand. Yes guys, we just finished unboxing the Huawei MatePad Pro, and along with that came a magnetic smart case and the Huawei M Pencil. So guys, let's have a look at the hardware. So inside the box we had, of course, the tablet and the cover. We've already done that. I'm going to split it open and show it to you how it works. And we had the power adapter. We have the Type-C to 3.5mm jack OTG. And we had 2 extra tips for 2 different purposes for your M Pencil. Now, let's start with the MatePad. So guys, first thing, MatePad, beautiful looking hardware, great matte finish, beautiful screen, amazing looking piece, and I am in love with it. Along with that came this particular cover, which I had to really didn't work hard. You just place it in the right place and snap and it goes right onto it. And it got 2 different sliding modes, as you can see. 1, and it's magnetic there as well, and 2, so it gives you a nice grip. It's a complete keyboard, so beautiful. And the M Pencil, which you can just place on top of it, and awesome, lovely stuff. So guys, this is Huawei MatePad Pro. Now this is 12.6 inches OLED full view display. Gorgeous looking piece, gorgeous display, beautiful. Screen to body ratio of 90%. You got a complete screen hardware in front of you. You know, it's amazing to look at. WQXGA resolution giving you 2500 by 1600 and 240 ppi, which is pixel density. So amazing resolution right there. 16.7 million colors. PCI 3 wide color gamut and 1 million to 1 contrast ratio. Now this is a hardware that you normally see on high-end gaming monitors. You know, that's the quality of display we're talking about right here. Beautiful slim design. I love it. It's 609 grams and literally 6.7 mm thick. With the case, it might go up by about a few grams, but still, if I close it and show it to you, look at that. It is just amazing. Slim, beautiful, even with the cover. And when I put the kickstand out, it looks just amazing. And it's got the sturdy feeling to it. You know, when you hold it, and it's got this nice matte fabricy feel to it, which gives you that luxury feel. Under the hood, we've got Huawei Kirin 9000E, which is the data processing powerhouse. Now, this is one Cortex A77 3.13 gigahertz, 3 Cortex A77s 2.4 gigahertz, and 4 Cortex A55 2 gigahertz. So we are talking about 8 cores into the CPU. And then when it comes to the GPU, it's a 22 core Mali G78. Now that means your image processing on this one is gonna be absolutely gorgeous. And then combine all that with NPU. It's got one big core NPU and one tiny core NPU. Now NPU is neural network processing unit. Now this is completely different level. When you're talking about 22 cores and one big and one tiny core, you're looking at a different level of AI processing altogether. So great piece of hardware, amazing under the hood, and of course the new Harmony OS 2, which is absolutely gorgeous when it comes to the GUI interface of it. Packs 256 GB of RAM, 13 megapixel camera. Now this is a dual camera setup, 13 megapixel, and then we've got an 8 megapixel wide angle camera as well. And 13 megapixel is autofocus. Then you got 8 megapixel wide angle, which is fixed focus, and then you have the 3D depth sensor camera as well. So great stuff. Let's look at the imaging quality and see if we can turn on the camera right here. Set it up right now. And we're using this Tiger now. Look at that. You can probably see me from right here. Look at the quality of that image. Brilliant. Love it. So that's, and then of course this gives you a, imagine this camera gives you 4160 by 3120 pixel image. And when it comes to video, you're talking about QHDM as well. 3840 by 2160. That is 4K video recording on this camera. And when it comes to the front camera, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and this is a fixed focus camera, and this also gives you a full HD image of 3264 by 2448 pixels and gives you an HD resolution of 1920 by 1080p. 4 microphones and 8 speakers with active noise cancellation. That means your video calls are gonna be absolutely fantastic and crystal clear. And if you're listening to music, it's going to be even more better. Specifically, you're looking at 8 speakers in this tiny unit. Isn't that amazing? And look at, you got 2 microphones on the top, you got microphones here and on the sides, so giving you that complete crystal clarity, 360 immersive sound. And then you have the 10,050 mAh battery with 40 watt fast charging, which is a SuperCharge. It also has 27 watts of wireless charging as well, which means that's pretty fast as well, and 10 watts of reverse charging in case you want to use this as a battery to charge another device. Now, when you look at the specs, amazing, beautiful looking piece, very powerful, great camera, great features, and the new Harmony OS. Now, this is my favorite part when it comes to that. I want to just tilt it a bit and show you. Look at the widgets. Now, on the right side, my right here, that means you guys can see it from there. So here's where you see all your notification panels. Amazing stuff. And then on the other side, you have the complete control panel deck right here. Great looking. All the controls come right here. And then you got this beautiful bottom deck. Now, which means all your frequently used apps go here, and you have customized swivel panel at the bottom, which you can manage according to what your regular usage apps are, and you can set them up. Beautiful. And each one of them gives you a certain, complete preview of the app. The moment you click on it, it gives you what this app is all about. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, this has 3 different collaboration modes when you pair it with another Huawei device, specifically the Huawei laptop. And we're hoping to show you that once we receive the new Huawei product, new laptop, which is just being launched. The news is already there. That's Huawei MateBook D15. We're hoping to receive that so that we can show you the collaboration between this and the laptop itself. Now, it's got a mirror mode, which means your laptop display can be mirrored onto this tablet, which is fantastic. Specifically, when you want to, if you're a creative person and you want to do some freehand and use a pencil, that pencil. And to fine tune some of your creatives, you do the creatives on this mirrored screen on this tablet, and those changes, you can actually see them real time on your laptop. Saves you a lot of trouble and gives you that extra edge in terms of your creativity. It goes with a lot of things like making hand notes and everything as well. Then you got the extended mode. You can use this tablet as a second display, which is amazing. Now, that means you have 2 different screens while you're working on your laptop, and you can use this as a second display. Beautiful extended mode right there. And then you've got the collaborate mode, where you can drag and drop between the keyboard and the tablet seamlessly. Now, basically, it also enables resource sharing as well. You can use the laptop keyboard and type it on this. You can use the laptop mouse and type it on this when you're working in the collaboration mode. That is amazing. And it's got multi-windows option. You can open 4 apps at the same time on the same screen. And now, normally in the mobile phone, the split screen options give you option for 2. This one, you can go up to 4. Perfect for multitasking. So if I'm working on this, I would like to have my WhatsApp open as one window, my email on the other, and I'll use the other 2, probably one for my mail and one for browsing the web. That's what my favorites will be. What are yours? Let us know in the comments below, and we will give you a chance to win an amazing Huawei product. So if you want to win that, you've got to just write down in the comments what do you think about this collaborative mode and the tablet so far. Now, and moving on, we got app multiplier as well. That means normally in any tablet or mobile phone, you not see the app working, one app working, and if you want to go to a different screen of that app, you have to close the current window and stop working on it. It specifically happens in the mail apps. You're drafting an email, you want to go back and read another email to take reference from it. You can't do it. You have to close it, probably save it as a draft, go read the email, come back to the original email which you were drafting. Here, with the app multiplier, you can use the same app and open 2 different windows of it. Read the email and write the email at the same time. Awesome stuff. Now, next comes the most beautiful part of it, the Huawei M Pencil. Now, this is a beautiful transparent tip design, this has got a platinum coated nib right in the tip of it. It's got beautiful hexagonal shape, silver color, and it's very comfortable to hold. 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, supports tilt writing, and it has a very low latency of 9 milliseconds. Now, works beautifully well with Huawei FreeScript to write in any text field. It has smart features like instant shape recognition. You can use it to do calculations as well, which is amazing. In the softwares, and it pairs automatically the moment you snap it on top of it. This is a magnetic snap that you hear. Goes into the pairing mode straight up, connects to it, and you're done. And this space also acts like a wireless charging spot for your pencil, so you don't need to plug it in. As long as it's connected here, it's using the laptop tablet battery to charge the pencil as well. So great stuff there. And the keyboard, magnetic, as we saw it, beautiful. It's even that's got a wireless charging as well, so it's automatically charging when you are connected to the tablet as well. It's got a 1.3 mm key travel distance, giving you that very genuine typing feel and swift connectivity. Beautiful feel to this keyboard. I think one additional thing to this keyboard with new Harmony OS would definitely make it a very beautiful one is adding a small touchpad to it, which we have seen in a few tablet keyboards which are coming within the box, which are now being used. Now, but apart from that, I think this is a fantastic piece of hardware, and now until I have this, or if I get to keep this, this is my primary operating machine. It replaces my laptop. It gives me a better battery life. It gives me a better viewing experience. Entertainment apps work very well. Multitasking works very well, like in a typical Windows laptop. I think Harmony OS is a fantastic operating system. I always loved it. I've always enjoyed Huawei devices. Currently also, my primary device is a Huawei MatePad. And I would love to get my hands on D15. The moment they send it to us, we'll share the review of that. This is Huawei MatePad Pro. And do watch out this space. We're going to be doing a fantastic comparison video of another device with this device, another tablet with this device, which is equally powerful as well. And we will let you decide which one is your favorite. This is your friend, the Great Lobby, signing off with Huawei MatePad Pro, M Pencil, and a magnetic cover. Keep us all safe. Peace.